Q, okay. We all know AI and how it is expanding its arenas into image creation, video creation, even now. But here are some tools which will be helpful if you're an artist, designer, or just a creative enthusiast. So first we have Light X. So here you can, when you're making a character and you want to just have the base mesh, if you're a CGI actor or a 2D character where you just have the body and you want to make different outfits and be in different build styles or as different characters. So you can just go and as like in this example, I have tried to make him a pirate. You have 2D characters and you want to have different outfits for it to animate them, or use just an illustrator where you want different um, outfits for your character. So this is a good starting point. Next up, we have Runway ML. So this is an amazing tool. So the best feature it has is the motion brush. So like you see, I can paint basically different areas of the image. So like in this, you can actually move heads, you can move arms a little bit. It's amazing. Next up, for all the graphic designers and branding enthusiasts out there, or you maybe have your own store online. So you just upload your image and then now you can actually put it in perspective and tilt it in perspective within the tool itself, and you can also move it around. And as you can see, it is now actually conforming to the different folds and edges which we have. Now this is the more common one, an image text to image generation tool. This is amazing for concept art to visualize concepts. When the client wants a few concepts and you have to like color and paint them all. This is an actual amazing tool for making backgrounds, be it an animation movie, be it a game. So I've made a lot of backgrounds, or you may want to make some cover art for it. And yeah, so these are the few examples of that. Right. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comments. And yeah, that's it for today. Like, share, subscribe for more content. If you want any other tutorials, do let me know.